Hey guys, welcome back to BlakeWrTv Kitchen, and today guys we have a real good health benefit for those of you guys who's overweight and suffering from obesity. This you will definitely like these ingredients. I will go over and show you guys. Meet my ninja blender in the kitchen. We have our pineapple, our strawberry, everything is organic and fresh. We have our lemon lime. We have apple for sweetening. We're not using any sugar. We're using kiwi and we're using beetroot with the leaf and the stem and some cilantro. So guys, come with me while we cut up our ginger and get our juicing started. Overweight is a huge problem in the United States and around the world. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, obesity is a common, serious, and costly disease. The prevalence of obesity was 42.4% in 2017 to 2018. From 1999 to 2000 through 2007 to 2018, the prevalence of obesity increased from 30.5% to 42.4%, and the prevalence of severe obesity increased from 4.7% to 9.2%. Obesity-related conditions include heart disease, strokes, type 2 diabetes, and certain type of cancer that are some of the leading causes of preventable premature death in the United States. Guys, so you got to take care of your body. I know sometimes we are busy working and we don't have the time to eat right, juice right, and feed our body the healthy lifestyle that we should. But this video, guys, is just to help you get back on track. According to the CDC, the estimate annual medical cost of obesity in the United States was 147 billion in 2008, US dollar that is. Medical cost of people who have obesity was $1,429 higher than those of normal weight. So people with obesity will have more medical conditions. Back to ethnicity, guys. Non-Hispanic and black adults, 49.6%. And non-Hispanic white at 42.2%, and non-Hispanic Asian adults at 17.4%. Prevalence of obesity was 40% among adults aged 20 to 29 years and 44.8% among adults aged 40 to 59 years and 42.8% among adults aged 60 and older. Obesity is a monster we have in our society today. Gaining belly fat. It is so hard to get rid of. It's one of the most easiest fat disease in our body. It's belly fat. And it's one of the hardest to get rid of. So you got to be disciplined. You got to take your life back in your own hands to fight against belly fat. So yes, guys, we're putting some fresh lemon in here, and we're gonna go ahead and blend everything up together with our apples, cucumbers, our ginger, and our so I'm just cutting off the beetroot top right here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it up in smaller bit size so that my ninja can manage it and blend it faster. And I'm also using the leaf as well. all the pulp so you can have the juice really fine and refreshing without any pulps. So let's go ahead and get a strainer and get a spoon and just mix it around and get all the juice out of it. You can just discard the pulps. So here we have our celery and our cucumber, ginger, garlics, and kiwi, all coming together nicely, real refreshing. All natural ingredients. So in this video, guys, we are making two different juice, one with the beetroot and one without. And that's the main difference between the two. And also the beetroot leaves, alcohol free. Guys, just in case you never know, beetroot is used in natural medicine. Beetroot is used among the medication in treatment of liver disease and fatty liver. They are also used to help lower levels of triglycerides and type of fat in the body, lower blood pressure, and to improve athletic performance. So beetroot has a lot of health benefit. Okay guys, as you see, I used garlics earlier. According to WebMD, many studies show that the antioxidant properties of black garlic can help to fight against cancer. One study found that it could help to reduce the growth of colon cancer cells. And on top of all that good benefit, guys, it does help you lose a lot of weight. So drink this juice twice per day and thank me later.
You know what time it is. Your boy Blake is in the house teaching you how to cook like a Jamaican, like a pro cook on your yard, eat for your yard.